Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to put a white background on Instagram Story. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. The very first step is to make sure that Instagram is updated. After you do that, then open Instagram on your device. Now open the Instagram camera. Now you want to click on this little create button. We are in creator mode and they've automatically added a colorful background for me. But I want a pure white one, so all I have to do is to click on this color circle in the bottom right corner of the screen until my background becomes white. And here it is. Now you can add stickers, a quiz, photos, or videos, and so on by clicking on the sticker icon right here and then edit the story as you like. That is how you can add a white background